Okay, so I'm showing you guys. My husband said it tastes good.
Yes.
Would you buy it again?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so you guys, so that's what he said.
Yeah, it's good. It's really different. It's good.
Okay, y'all hear that? So alrighty. Guys, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today I'm trying something different for dinner. I know my husband, we went on the base because he was in the service. So they have this right here, you guys. I don't know if you guys ever heard of that, but we picked this up on the base. This is right here. This is the name of it. And this is some kind of special Italian egg pasta filled with spinach, creamy, and they said you can add your own favorite sauce to this. And this is the, try to pick up some Italian sauce, but this is what I'm gonna use. I know I'm not gonna use this whole jar, but I need to add a little meat to it, so I'm just gonna go ahead. It's just one. This is what this called. And the only reason I'm taping this, recorded this, because I might like this, you know. So this will be my first time. Let me show you on the back what the ingredients say. Well, the cooking ingredient, it said boil 3/4 of salty water in a large pot. Then number 2, just before the water come to I wrote in boil empty pasta from pots into the pot. Then it said gentle boil for about 14 minutes. So I just want to show you guys that, you know, because some people be saying, well, how do you cook this? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's why I'm reading that. Because this is my first time cooking this, okay? And like I said, this is some classic Italian. I know that light, it's kind of light. Classic Italian stuff, egg pasta, that's what that is. And it is organic. So yeah. Alright, so this is what I'm having for dinner. Just want to show you guys that. Easy. And I'm just gonna go ahead. You don't have to use this, you know, require, but I just like to use, I like some meat in my pasta. If you know what I mean. Alright, so let me get out of here, okay? But yeah, I don't know if they sell this at local grocery store, but I just know that we went on the base and got this, so I don't know for sure. So you know, all right. So this is what I'm having for dinner. Oh yeah, check this trash out. Okay, guys. So I took the skin off because you know you have that old skin of it, so I just took it out and stuff. You know, for the pasta. And like I said, you don't really have to add no meat to this. I'm just adding meat. Okay, guys, so boiling my water. Okay, you guys, so I put the pasta in. And just that they said you're supposed to cook this 14 minutes. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna just cook this separate because I don't want to put in my pasta, and then I'm just gonna add this with this. Now then I just top it. Once it's ready, I can just toss the pasta sauce over the pasta. Did I say that right? Yeah, but that's how I'm doing this, doing the sauce. Because I'm not gonna add it with the pasta. I'm gonna cook the sauce separate. If that makes sense. Yeah, so you know how they do any kind of restaurant when you go to an Italian restaurant, you know, they always have the sauce on top of the pasta. Okay, so that's how I'm doing this. So that's how much I use in the thing. Just want to show you guys that. I just put this rest in the refrigerator. So you guys, I did add just shredded some of the extra virgin olive oil with the pasta, because you know when you cooking pasta, you don't want to get stick. But now I'm just to make my husband plate, and this is how the pasta look. See? I see something. I don't know what that. Alrighty, it is ready. Okay, right. I thought it looked like ground beef, but in okay, right. All right, you guys. Let's make his plate. Okay, so that's how it looks. Now I'm gonna put the sauce on top of it. That's the name of it. Okay, so there's my plate. Like this video, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family. Show me what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below. If you have any questions, thumb this video up. Subscribe if you don't mind. I really appreciate it. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on, and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed day and be safe. Today, have a blessed night. Ready to plate, honey. Really? And you could put some Parmesan cheese on top of it if you want to. You could, you know, have some garlic bread on the side. But right now I'm just gonna just eat it like this. I think my husband might make him a salad on the side. All right. Bye bye. Hope you guys try this. Go ahead, search for this. And I will tell you how it tastes. Or my husband will tell you, because his plate is done first.
You say bye and keep
Oh. Did you say, I said what do I?
say bye-bye and you keep
I know, my husband teaches me just, you said bye-bye, then you keep talking. Whatever. Ciao.